Hi, everybody. I am Padmanabhan, Director, Exim Academy. Next month, August 26th and 27th, Madras Management Association, in partnership with Andhra Chamber of Commerce, is organizing a 2-day export management certificate program. I am the resource person for the program. The program would cover what to export and how to export. These are the two questions that often comes to the minds of an export entrepreneur willing to enter the export field. There are several myths associated with exports. These myths will be dispelled in this 2-day program. And as I was talking about how to and what to, these are the precisely two questions that need to be answered. And you will find answers for these two questions in our 2-day program. First of all, what to export, and then how to export. When you find what to export, the next question is, where are the markets for the export? When you find the ways to find out the markets, then you need to know who is your buyer. And this is a science, a proven method by which people all over who are all successful, who have been successful in their exporting career, have made themselves good by following this method called the SPANCO method. This method has been widely practiced but not taught in any of the universities or colleges. In this 2-day program, we will highlight this method and tell you how to find out and zero in on a buyer. Once you find a buyer, that's not the end of it. In fact, that's a beginning. How to approach him, how you present yourself is all that matters in export market. Once you find a buyer and approach him, and he finds you too good to do the business, then the whole work is over as far as the finding a buyer is concerned. Then, once you find a buyer and he also accepts your offer, what are the other things that start? Namely, what are the incentives you get from the government? What are the benefits you get from the government? What are the legal formalities in this country? Of course, there are legal formalities to be complied with in the other country as well. When you do your documentation, these two aspects will have to be factored in export. These are all the broad area to be covered in this 2-day program. I'm sure the person who comes into this program will definitely be benefited in terms of knowledge that he gains, exposure that he gains, as well as the time would be well spent.